RPA is an interesting technology. Automation has been around for years. In fact, when I first started looking at this space, I thought this is macros and scripting and things that we've been very familiar with in technology for decades. However, RPA is very different. It's a radically different and disruptive technology because of its simplicity and its low cost of ownership. When I think about manufacturing, there are some key use cases that we commonly automate. You would think within the manufacturing industry that companies that have robots on their assembly line would know everything there is to know about automation. What we find, however, is that there's a tremendous challenge in being able to bring new products to market, being able to manage the supply chain, and while people have systems in place for it, they also have a lot of people. And what we're able to do with RPA is to close that last mile, that last yard, that last inch of manual labor that's involved in these tasks. And most of the time, we can help our manufacturing clients not only bring products to market quicker, but to really change their efficiency and their cost model in a way that's directly impactful to their bottom line. What we're doing in manufacturing, the automation use cases that we deliver, it allows them to free up their resources, their labor, from very mundane tasks to doing things on the engineering side, on the marketing side, on the customer care side that really change the business.